Hey, hello, my name is Arun from usitrecruit.com. Are you a fresher or experienced job seeker looking for rewrite your resume in a best formatted way without paying a single penny? Watch this video till the end and I'll be sharing you the best 2 resume builders where you can able to write your resume in a best formatted way. Still, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe and hit on that bell icon right away and you will get notified whenever I release a video on this channel.
Coming to the first resume builder is resumemaker.online. You can go through the link called resumemaker.online, which is in the description, which is a simple and one-page layout. You just need to click on design my resume. When you click up, you will get this page where you can customize yourself with your name, with your profession or your role here, and you can give your experiences, professional experiences, and you can give your date of birth and your nationality, your contact number, and you can even add your picture here. And if you want to add more things to this section, you can add it from by clicking on this sections button. You can even hide these sections. You can even open up these sections on your resume. So if I want to hide this section called address, just toggle it off and click here. Your address section will be closed. If you want to open up the main skills section, you can click toggle it on and you will get an bar like this here, graph, and you can give it the whatever the percentage you have, and you can even save this resume, and whenever you prepare this resume you can preview it by clicking on this preview button. You can even download it from here. The only drawback for this resume builder is whenever you click on download, it will ask for a pro download, because if you get a pro license only, you will get to download the high resolution resume. But no worries, the free one will works and do the match. See, whenever you click on download free PDF, this only includes a watermark at the bottom which is very small, which is negligible, and you can even cut it off whenever you download it. Yeah, I prefer to give a try it, and because this is just, you can prepare this resume within few minutes of time, and this will be a very professional, and this is a ATS friendly as well. Experience the resume and get you more interviews. Coming to the second free resume builder which is online is resumemaker.com, which the name itself is so funny, but it makes wonders, and it will make your resume so perfect so that you can able to get more interviews and get you an offer sooner. So when you open up the resume of resumemaker.com, they are with a slogan called build resumes that rank you higher and target jobs, make clean resumes, and set out to land your dream job. So these are the basically coming to the main point of the resume puppy. The only 2 things outstanding from other resume builders are, first one is they will analyze the job description. Suppose if you are attending for a developer role or a Java developer role, so just copy paste the job description in the job analyzer. It will give you the keywords which are required to this job, so that you can put it on your resume. That fetches you more interviews and give you an offer sooner. Let us see how that works. First, you need to click on sign up for free, and you need to fill all the details which are in the form and click on sign up. This will gives you or logs into the resumemaker.com. As I already have the login signed up to this resumemaker.com, so let me log in and see you the other end. When you log in into the resumemaker.com, this is what you can able to see. As you can see in the right side, we have 6 sections or 5 sections. You can even add more sections. As a default, they are having 5 sections, that is the personal information, experience, projects, education, and skills. You can even click on plus button, and you can even add more section to this. And coming to this right side, first thing you need to click on this create button. This will open up a builder or a resume builder, so that you can fill out all these details, so you can start building your resume from here. Whenever you start writing this, that will be previewed on this middle part of this website, so that you can easily go through what you are typing and how your resume will look when you download that. So you can even click on this resume button, so that it will open up the resumes which you have saved previously. So I have saved 2 resumes, so that you can even download these resumes and you can make it out of that. And coming to this main part on how to build this resume in 𝗕𝗲𝗿𝗄𝗵.com is, first thing first, you need to give your names as usual, and the email address will be automatically placed through your login, and give your LinkedIn address and your phone number and a little bit about yourself, and whatever the other links which you have. As I am holding a website called usitrecruit.com, please give it a try, go through that. You can have multiple and many articles based out of US recruitment and many more. And whenever you are done, just click on next button. It will open up the experience tab or experience section, where you can give your all the experiences where you have worked previously, and you can skip this part if you are a fresher. Just click on next button, and you can even enter your projects, because as a fresher you don't have any experience, so you just need to give your projects which you have did in your final year of your graduation, or any projects. You can give it here and click on next, and you can give your education details here and click on next. And this is the main part here, and give your skills and tags, etc. And what I'm talking about, the first will analyze the job description. You can just copy paste the job description here, or let's say Java developer. It will give you the exact keywords what that job description is looking for, and click on get keywords. You'll get the keywords, and you can just embed those on your resume. So whenever you are done with this, click on preview button. It will give you a preview of your resume, so that you can look it out before you download that resume. And this is how my resume looks. And click on download button. This will give you downloaded option in PDF. You can only download your resume in PDF. So PDF generated successfully. Click on download. Whenever you click on this download button, you will get your resume ready within few minutes. So my better option is give a try of these 2 best resumes builders, which are ATS friendly and which will surely fetch you more interviews and more offers with a great pay. So wishing you good luck on your job search, and thank you so much for watching this channel, and visit usitrecruit.com for more articles on recruitment and job career related things. And Arun Kumar signing off.